Did you know that most engines don't actually die from age, but from neglect? Yes, millions of cars are sent to the junkyard every year, not because the engine wore out naturally, but because owners skipped small habits that could have kept them running strong for decades. The truth is, your engine is like the heart of your car. If you don't give it regular checkups, little problems turn into deadly failures. In this video, we are going to uncover the most important things you should do every single month if you want your engine to last forever. Stick with me until the end, because the last habit is the one that most drivers ignore. And it's the reason their engines die far too early. Let's dive in. Tip number 11. Check your engine oil level and condition. Your oil is the blood of your engine, and without enough of it, the engine simply cannot survive. Checking your oil once a month might sound too simple, but it's the cheapest insurance you can ever give your car. Pop the hood, pull out the dipstick, and take a look. Is the oil at the right level, or is it running low? Don't just check the level, check the color and texture too. Fresh oil should be golden and smooth, while dirty oil will look dark and gritty. If you notice the oil is low, top it up immediately. If it's dirty far earlier than your oil change schedule, that's a sign of engine wear or contamination. Doing this once a month ensures you never run an engine low on lubrication, and it can save you thousands by preventing seized pistons or worn bearings. Tip number 10. Inspect the coolant level engines. Don't just die from lack of oil, they also die from overheating. And overheating happens faster than most people realize. Once a month, open your coolant reservoir and check the level. If it's lower than the markings, you may have a leak that's slowly draining life from your engine. Also, look at the color of the coolant. If it looks rusty, dirty, or contaminated, it's a warning sign that corrosion or gasket failure could be lurking. Keeping coolant at the proper level ensures your engine stays in its comfort zone. Not too hot, not too cold. A small top-up today can prevent a cracked head, a blown gasket, or even a warped engine block tomorrow. Tip number 9. Look for leaks under the car. Here's a trick that professional mechanics swear by. Once a month, before you start your car, crouch down and check the ground underneath. Do you see drops of oil, coolant, or transmission fluid? Even the smallest leak is your engine's way of crying for help. What starts as a tiny drip can turn into a gusher that drains your fluids dry and leaves your engine gasping for survival. Many people ignore those small spots in the driveway, only to be shocked when their car breaks down and the repair bill runs into the thousands. By spotting leaks early, you stop the problem before it becomes deadly. Think of it as catching a disease in its first stage instead of waiting until it's too late for treatment. Tip number 8. Check and replace the air filter if needed. Your engine breathes air just like you breathe oxygen, and if it can't breathe properly, it suffocates. A clogged air filter means the engine has to work harder, burns more fuel, and allows dirt to sneak past into the cylinders. That dirt can cause scratches in the cylinders and long-term wear that robs your engine of power. Once a month, open the airbox and take a quick look at the filter. Is it still clean, or is it dark and dusty with debris? If it's dusty, dark, or covered in debris, replace it. It's one of the cheapest maintenance items you can buy. By doing this, you're keeping your combustion clean, your fuel economy high, and your engine protected for the long haul. Tip number 7. Inspect belts and hoses. Your engine relies on belts and hoses to move coolant, drive accessories, and keep everything in sync. But rubber doesn't last forever. Once a month, take a flashlight and look closely. Do you see cracks, frays, or bulges? Gently squeeze the hoses. Do they feel too soft and squishy, or rock hard and brittle? Either way, they're at risk of failing. If a serpentine belt snaps while driving, worse, if a timing belt goes, your engine could be destroyed instantly. By checking them regularly, you catch the warning signs before disaster strikes. This small habit alone could mean the difference between a smooth-running engine and a catastrophic breakdown. Tip number 6. Listen for unusual noises. Engines always tell a story with the sounds they make. Every month, turn off your music, roll down your windows, and really listen. Do you hear knocking, ticking, or squealing sounds? Each of these is your engine whispering that something isn't right. A ticking noise might be a valve issue. Knocking could mean poor combustion, and squealing usually points to a belt on its way out. But by listening carefully once a month, you can catch problems while they're still small, easy, and cheap to fix. A little attention each month can keep your engine healthy for decades. Tip number 5. Check battery health and connections. Your engine may run on fuel, but it starts with electricity, and without a healthy battery, your engine has to struggle before it even comes to life. Once a month, pop the hood and check the battery terminals. Are they clean, or do you see white or greenish corrosion building up around them? That buildup forces the starter motor to work harder, which puts extra strain on the engine during every start. Gently cleaning the terminals with a brush, or even a little baking soda solution, can keep connections strong. A weak battery makes cold starts brutal for your engine. Think of this as giving your engine a friendly handshake before it goes to work each day. Tip number 4. Check tire pressure and condition. You might be wondering, what do tires have to do with the engine? The truth is, everything. Underinflated tires force the engine to work harder just to keep the car moving, burning more fuel and wearing components faster. Overinflated tires, on the other hand, make the ride rough and transfer unnecessary shock back into the suspension and drivetrain. Once a month, grab a simple pressure gauge and check all 4 tires, including the spare. Not only does this make driving safer, but it also reduces engine strain, improves fuel efficiency. It's a simple habit that protects far more than just your tires. Tip number 3. Scan for error codes with an OBD2. Modern cars are like rolling computers, and your engine constantly monitors itself with dozens of sensors. But here's the catch. Many issues don't light up the check engine light right away. That's why scanning once a month with a simple OBD2 reader is a game changer. You simply have to plug your OBD2 into a port under your dashboard. It will give you real-time insight about your engine's health. In seconds, you can catch hidden misfires, fuel trim problems, or sensor glitches before they snowball into major repairs. Catching these early allows you to fix a $50 part before it snowballs into a $1,500 repair. It's like running a health check on your body before a small problem becomes a disease. Tip number 2. Inspect the exhaust for smoke or odors. Your car's exhaust is like its report card. It tells you exactly what's happening inside the engine. Every month, take a few minutes to look at the tailpipe and pay attention to smoke or unusual odors. Blue smoke usually means burning oil. White smoke indicates coolant leaks, and black smoke signals too much fuel entering the engine. Catching these early gives you a chance to fix small issues before they damage major engine components. Ignoring exhaust signals allows problems to escalate silently, leading to worn piston rings, blown head gaskets, or clogged catalytic converters. Automotive repair studies reveal that unnoticed exhaust issues are a hidden cause of thousands of engine failures every year. Tip number 1. Reset your driving habits. Finally, once a month, remind yourself to drive smarter. Avoid sudden revving, harsh braking, or launching your car like you're in a race. Engines love consistency and smooth operation. By consciously resetting your habits once a month, you train yourself to drive in a way that reduces strain. Gentle acceleration, steady speeds, and avoiding unnecessary idling all contribute to an engine that runs cooler, cleaner, and longer. Think of it like a monthly promise you make to your car. Treat it kindly, and it will reward you with years of faithful service. So there you have it, the small monthly habits that turn an ordinary engine into a forever engine. Treat your engine like your health. Regular checkups always cost less than emergency surgery. See you in the next video.